Hey, what's up, what's up? Happy midweek, happy Wednesday. It's July 6th, and I'm coming to you on the way home today from the gym, coming down, but usually I'm hitting you up on the way up. But just wrapped it up, now getting my cool down steps, headed back home. And I wanted to really quickly check in because things popped off quite a bit. Tuesday, Wednesday. Monday was the holiday. But yesterday, green. Today, pretty much green. I mean, some went up, some went down, but it was a green day. Even if we're staying straight across, staying the same, staying flat, that's a green day. So if you haven't bought in yet, this could be one of your last chances. I need you to hit the link in the description for WeBull. There's a link. You click it, you sign up. You get 6 free stocks. I would do it in my sleep if I could, but I've already done it. 6 free stocks, folks, at the bottom of a recession. Free stocks, half off. All you have to deposit is a penny, so don't delay. Just hit that link. Takes a couple minutes. Hit me up if you need some help, but that's the WeBull link in the description. But wanted to talk about what it's looking like. It's coming up in the next couple of weeks, couple of months. I'm seeing a lot of trepidation, daily BKs in the crypto industry. So daily BKs in all kinds of industries. I saw a tech company just filed BK. Happy Tech or Fun Tech, one of those. Penny stock now, which just went up 50%. So companies are trimming the fat. This is the perfect time to reorganize, to restructure. It's the perfect time to have a mass layoff. If you're a company, you could blame it on the economy. Trim the fat. Companies need excuses like this to shed their skin, to regrow, to rebirth, to recategorize, restructure, adjust that trajectory, and invest in different groups, hire different resources, yada, yada, yada. So definitely a lot more turbulence probably the next 2 months. I mean, but you do want to keep buying. You want to buy right now. You need to be buying today, yesterday. If you could have bought last week, you're going to be kicking yourself, punching yourself that you didn't just buy more. So you got to stay the course. Keep that head down. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be investing in these blue chip companies that are 50% off, then putting our head down, working for 6 months, and we'll have made probably, I will say, conservatively 20%. You can make a solid return in this kind of market, but you gotta be brave when you gotta buy on these red days. It's probably going to be red for the rest of the week because we did show signs of life. The main thing today was the interest freaking rates got freaking stabilized finally, so the stock market popped a bit in the last 2 days. So it's all about the interest rates. It's those macro trends, so just keep an eye on that. But I think the rates hopefully stay like this. I mean, as long as they stabilize, we can get some more sustainable growth. I mean, when they just blast off the interest rates, it's insanity. So we'll see. But I'm just coming down the hill here, getting my cool. And sorry, I'm a little bit out of breath. Just had to rock it at the gym, but it's a great afternoon. I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna do some research. Just keep an eye on some of those companies that might BK that you don't want anything to do with. You need to be investing in the heavy hitters only. Apples and the Googles, folks. The 2 big winners. So it's a system of winners and losers. If you ain't a winner, you're a loser. You're gonna get BK'd or bought out by one of the winners. So yeah, you could just consider it a consolidation, folks. A tech consolidation, a financial consolidation. All the powers that be. Reorganizing, resetting is another word you might want to use for it, but nothing to be too afraid of. There's some headwinds, but I love it. I want blood. I want it to go down big time tomorrow. I want it to go down big time all next week. The lower it goes, the more you get. You just have to have the courage and the conviction. And you need to have the time. It's going to be about a 3 to 6 month commitment. You can't touch it for 6 months, even if you would ever take it out anyway. Honestly, once you put it in, just consider it gone anyway. So, you're never going to take it out anyway, but you have to take advantage of these dips. This could be one of the last good dips in a long while. There's going to be a huge red wave that's going to make it's going to make the markets probably a little bit better for the foreseeable future after this next cycle. So in about a year from now, there'll be a rush to get back in the market, as there's a potential wave of more conservative, fiscal conservative policies. So now's the time. We all want to buy in right now to those big hitter blue chippers, the Apples and the Googles. So that's my moves. Now the content you came for. I'm exhausted here. I'm buying all week, rest of the week. As soon as I get paid, buy more. Every last penny I get is going in. Everything's 50% off, folks. So if you're not buying, you shouldn't be complaining in 6 months to a year, because everyone else did and they're rich as F, and you were like too afraid to buy in on these incredible blue chip stock companies. So you need to hit down to that link, pay yourself first, folks. That's what we always talk about. Before you pay these companies, before you go out buying Jordans, buy some Nike stock. As soon as you buy those Jordans, as soon as you put them on, they're going down. The price is going down. As soon as you buy that Nike stock, it's going to be going up. So, well, all these big corporations are restructuring. Maybe you should restructure too. Reprioritize, adjust the values, tinker with your algorithm, your personal financial algorithm. Make sure you put major dough in the market right now. We're going to be getting maybe 20% return once this whole thing turns around. So it could happen quick. I'm not saying we're out of the clear. The rug could be pulled any day now. The stock market could drop off just like the Great Recession of 08. There's no guarantees here, but I will say, I think we might have hit an impasse where a lot of the damage has been done. We kind of bottomed out with the Roe v. Wade, and now it's going to be a renaissance, a rebirth from that reset. So I'm going to leave it with that. Hit the link, hit the WeBull link. About to cross the street, so I'm gonna check later. I'm gonna pick up the pace, but I'll hit you guys later. Hit the link, pay yourself first. All right, have a great week. Talk to you soon.